Hello, welcome to Peterborough station. I'm going to try a different style of train spotting today. I'm going to try and bring commentary back, see how it goes. 803003 Lumo working a service to London King's Cross from Edinburgh. So I'm just going to try bringing commentary back. So let me know what you think. If you like this style of content, then I'll do my videos like this. If you don't, let me know and I'll never do a commentary video again. Okay, so here is 66732 for GBRF. Gonna be honest, I've no idea where it's coming from, where it's going. It looks like it's stopping, so I'll have a quick check on real-time trains for you, and I'll tell you in a second. I'll tell a lie, I won't. I'll film 66517 for Freightliner first, and then I'll have a look. So I'll have a look where both of these are going, and I'll tell you when that goes. Yeah, so as I say, if you want me to bring back the commentary style videos, then let me know. If you do, then I will. I'll add a few of these in the mix to everything else. Another flat wheel by the sound of things. Okay, coming in now we have a LNR Zuma. We'll have a look at the number. It is 800-201. And we have an LNR Zuma passing. 800-111 off to London. 800-201 is now off to Lincoln. Next stop's Grantham. From London King's Cross. Also, I apologise for the shakiness and also the wind. It's very windy here. And right now 66523 Freightliner. That came in while we went to get something to eat. We were a bit hungry, so we went and got some food. And this pulled in, and then I think that other 66 that was down there, I think that also went while we were on as well. I'm going to be honest, I have not a clue where any of the freight trains are going. Because there's that many of them, and they're all late and early and God knows whatever else, so it's quite hard to keep up with really. And I'm going to try my best to keep this camera still, because it's really windy. And that's why I'm not zooming in, because the camera will be all over the place. There you go. And as a bus goes over the bridge, here comes another 66. $66,030 EWS. Again, no idea where it's going to or where it's come from, because again, there's that much freight, I can't really keep up with it, because they're all late, early, God knows whatever else. And is this stopping? I think this is stopping, so that means I need to leg it down to the other side of the station. Okay, 66,030 departs, I've had a look, and that's going from Biggleswade Plasma to Heck Plasma, something like that. And then an LNR Zoomer's coming in to London King's Cross, don't know where from. Again, not had a chance to look at real-time trains. Okay, 801 I think that said, is now departing off to London. I had a look, it's from King's Cross. No, what am I on about? No. It's going to King's Cross, it's coming from York. There. Can't be going to King's Cross if it's coming. Never mind. Okay, now departing is an East Midlands Railway 158. 854, I think that said, off to Liverpool Lime Street from Norwich. Okay, we're about to have a crossover of passing trains. First one, 800 109. Second one, 803, was that 005 or 305? I don't know. It was something 05 though. LNER off to London, and Lumo off to Edinburgh. Passing through now, we have a Grand Central Adelante. Did not see the numbers on that. That's going from King's Cross to Bradford Interchange. Okay, coming in now, we have 158, 85, 865. This is working a service from Liverpool Lime Street to Norwich. I must admit, it's going to be a busy train, that. Don't even know, I'm going to be honest, literally no idea if you can hear me, because it is crazily windy. And then incoming, we have a new one for the channel, and by that I mean, this is we've got a Greater Anglia. Yeah, we've got a Greater Anglia train coming in now. I think it's 755. Never filmed one of these on the channel before, so here we go.
This train has 3 coaches. Change at Ipswich for services to Felixstowe.
Okay, but next time, Anne, do you reckon you could not interrupt me? Thanks. This is one of the Greater Anglia flirts. Okay, now we're coming, we have 91105, that's going from London King's Cross to Leeds. Let's see what's on the, see what class 82 it's got with it in a second.
The 1610 LNER Zoomer service to London King's Cross is delayed by
Oh dear.
15 minutes.
Why?
This is due to trespassers on the railway earlier today.
Lovely. And then on the N, and then the 82 is 82225. Okay, departing now, we have this flirt. That is their actual name. It's off to Ipswich. 336 is its number there. Okay, the weather's turned that bad that I've had to come up to the footbridge. But anyway, now departing is that 91 and 82 off to Leeds. We're going to be getting one of these back, so I think I'm going to do a bit of a review vlog video, so look out for that one later. Incoming is a cross country 170. I wouldn't normally do this, but with this style of transport you can do it a bit more informally and you can do this sort of thing. But, all I can say is that's going to be a horrendously packed train. Okay, as everybody runs down to platform platform 5, that 170. Incoming now, we have a LNER service to York. I'll get the numbers in a second. Yeah, I must admit I prefer this style of train spotting because it's cause you get to do a lot more like this, because you know it's a lot more relaxed and informal. I think anyway. And the next stop on that is Grantham. Passing through now, we have I think that said 801103. I might be wrong. That's off. Don't know where that's off. Alright, we have what have we got passing through now? (802 something 32), I think that said. That's off to Hull. Believe it or not. Hull train's off to Hull. I know. It's quite surprising that, isn't it? Okay, we've now got we shush please, thanks. Right, we've got LNER 801226. What's sticks? 226, I think that said. Did that say 226? I think so. Off to London King's Cross. Okay, and the last train of the video is going to be GBRF 66781, which is called Darius Cheskin, or Cheskin. Never heard of that person in my life. If anyone knows who it is, let me know. Okay, now passing through. What have we got? I think that was 80110. 800 110? 800 100? I have no idea. It was either 800 100 or 800 110. One of them. So I'm not entirely sure if I'm going to have time to actually film this. So just in case I don't, I'll do the intro, the outro now. So thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed it. If you haven't, press like, subscribe, do all that. And as I said, that an East Midlands Railway 158 have pulled in the service from Norwich to Liverpool Lime Street. So yeah, if you've enjoyed this video, press like if you want. Don't really care about likes that much. Subscribe, leave a comment. I like comments. Let me know if you... Shush! She's not stopped. I swear she just said that about 7 times in 2 minutes. Yeah, you said that. Thanks, Anne. What was I saying? Yeah, so if you've enjoyed this commentary styled episode... Oh my god. She will not shut up. Right, I'm gonna just walk over here because there's something coming. So yeah, if you've enjoyed this video, press like, whatever, if you want. Leave a comment though. That's what I want to know. I want you to leave a comment if. Oh my god. she won't shut up. So yeah, so thanks for watching. I'll try again. Right, hang on. 158852's off to Liverpool. LNER Azuma to Ludwig Cross coming in. I'm just gonna, right, shall I try to do the intro again? Yeah? My train's coming in about 5 minutes. So thanks for watching. Try again. Thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, then leave a comment. Because I want to know. I want to know what you thought to this commentary style episode. Video. Because I've not done it. I wasn't too sure what to do really. But I think it's gone pretty well. So let me know what you think in the comment section. And if you like, and if you've enjoyed it, then I will do another one. It's all kicking off in Peterborough.
Ambulance on postcard.
Yeah, so I want to know if you've enjoyed this episode, if you've enjoyed the commentary. If you have, let me know. If you want to see more like this, and I will do more. And I have no idea if that, can you see that helicopter? You can't see it now. Oh yeah, you can. No, this is a train spotting video, but oh, and also this is 800 213. All right then. Thanks for watching. Bye.